Namaste and welcome back to my channel, you lovely people. So if you are here for the first time, then hello, my name is Shruti and you're watching Glow by Shruti. So in today's video, I am gonna give or share so much gyan, but the gyan which might be very useful for girls and boys both. मैंने अपने lifestyle में, or maybe some things which I have धीरे धीरे added on in my routine, which has helped me a lot, and so I wanted to pass this on. So like कुछ महीनों से I was facing major acne issues. So yeah, this is the photo which you are seeing right here right now. So this was literally मेरे चेहरे की हालत, which was pathetic. So I literally graduated myself in skincare and routine, and I consulted a doctor and everything. So but now, touch wood, my skin has got a lot better due to some habits which I'm gonna share. The first most basic habit which you all should add in your routine. आपने बहुत वीडियोस में बहुत लोगों से, घर में वैसे भी डॉक्टर्स, मतलब स्कूल में भी हर जगह ये चीज़ सीखी होगी, एंड शायद हम तब भी इस चीज़ को बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं. एटलीस्ट मैंने तो बहुत ही लाइटली लिया था इस हैबिट को, which is drinking water. So here's a pro tip which I would like to pass on to you people. So you are having a glass of water without even brushing your teeth. So the reason and scientific reason behind it, that your saliva has a pH level of 5, which is very healthy. People are like having habit कि उठते ही चाय चाहिए, बिस्किट चाहिए, थोड़ा उस पे ब्रेक डालो. Trust me, उससे पहले पानी पीना शुरू करो, and within a month or two maybe you'll see drastic changes and you would love your skin. Clean up or something, I make sure that I am doing that using maybe fruits, aloe vera, honey, dahi, banana, cucumber, everything and anything, but not any जो भी O3 plus and gold facial kits जो भी आते हैं, I have never. And for this I would like to thank my mom for sure, because she has always guided me कि ये चीज़ जितनी later start करो उतनी ही better होती है. So I am following that thing, and being into makeup and this thing, I have always been and I still am a very natural products को use करने वाली लड़की. So one routine which I have forcefully started with, but अब मज़ा आ रहा है करने में, which is icing. So wonderful, it will do wonders to us. Liquid बहुत ज़्यादा matter करता है. So all the liquid which you take is healthy. Juices or shakes like banana shake, and also you can add peanut butter in your banana shake, which is very healthy for your hair, for your skin. Coconut water, everything. You can take anything and everything. And some एक ही दिन में नहीं पीना. Make sure you are having one thing a day, step by step. Once you are done with your makeup, do not go to your bed, do not sleep without removing your makeup. I am that person जैसे मैंने अपनी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर लेती हूँ, like within 5 minutes I wash my face. I do not even wait for half an hour or nothing. I scrub remover or micellar water, anything you have, take that in your cotton and massage that properly. After that, take any cleanser or any moisturizer, even if you have Johnson's Baby or any moisturizer for your skin, you are doing that again, you're massaging it and taking your makeup off. So, and for those people or girls who apply makeup and have oily skin plus have acne prone skin like me, please do not use oil or oil based products to remove your makeup. Just make sure कि आपकी skin एकदम clean canvas हो चुकी है, वहाँ पे makeup का एक भी कण नहीं रहा है. So another very important product for your face and for your body, apart from having your vitamin C's, which is very important for your immunity right now, make sure you are applying vitamin C on your face as well in the form of serums. You make sure कि if you are getting this, if you're buying and purchasing this product, you make sure you apply this before your makeup as well. So it's like since last 2 or 3 months I'm applying vitamin C on my face before doing or starting off my makeup, and it has helped me a lot. Base भी बहुत flawless हो जाता है and skin भी बहुत glossy और बहुत अच्छी लगती है. It is super healthy for your skin. Earlier when I did not have that knowledge, तो मैं हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार स्क्रब ज़रूर करती थी, and when I got to know कि वो कितना बेकार है, I so sorry for my skin that I've made my skin suffer a lot. So month में 1 या 2 बार स्क्रब is, trust me, more than enough. मेक श्योर कि मैं बहुत ही माइल्ड स्क्रब यूज कर रही हूँ. एंड एडिंग ऑन टू दैट, व्हाट आई यूजुअली डू इज टू मेक दैट इवन माइल्ड, मैं अपने स्क्रब के साथ मलाई और दूध ऐड करती हूँ, एंड विच हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट यूजिंग अ स्क्रब. एंड मेक श्योर स्क्रब को बहुत रगड़ना नहीं है. यू बीइंग वेरी जेंटल, योर स्किन इज अ बेबी एंड ट्रीट इट लाइक अ बेबी ओनली. So being very gentle when you're scrubbing your face, even if you're washing your face, make sure कि आप बहुत उसको rub नहीं करें. Just be very very gentle with your skin. And you have dandruff, do not oil your scalp, do not oil your hair. Oil is basically food for the dandruff. Okay, so for all those girls who love wearing makeup like me, make sure to follow your CTM routine and your pre-steps. मैं भी हर वीडियो में चीज़ मेंशन करती हूँ कि even if you're doing makeup but your pre-steps are not that good, are not that strong, you're harming your skin for sure. You are harming your skin. You make sure you are cleaning your brushes and you are cleaning your sponge, and always carry a towel or something with you. So जब भी एक application किया, just make sure you're cleaning your brush again. So this has to be a very nice habit, and it will, you know, protect you from many major skin problems for sure. Like कभी कभी होता है कि हम पुराना ही ब्रश को बिना धोए यूज करते हो. समटाइम्स वी हैड सम प्रॉब्लम एक्ने तब हुआ होता है और हमने उससे ब्रश यूज किया एंड वी डू नॉट वॉश इट एंड वी यूज इट अगेन. सो जो इन्फेक्शन जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो अगेन दैट दे सिट ऑन योर स्किन एंड इट इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर यू. सो मेक श्योर यू आर क्लीनिंग योर ब्रशेज एंड योर स्पॉन्ज रेगुलरली इफ यू अप्लाई मेकअप. For the girls who are into making videos and who have their work, like उनको daily makeup करना ही है. So for those girls I would give a pro tip for sure, like which I religiously follow is like अगर मुझे daily makeup करना, like I am doing makeup 7 days a week, so every second day I make sure that I am applying either multani mitti after removing my face makeup, or I am having haldi with honey or dahi with honey or something like that, koi bhi home remedy. So then I apply on my face and I make sure I'm keeping it for 20 minutes and then I just wash that off. It is very healthy for your skin and it does not have any side effects, so you can definitely follow this thing. So these are the vitamin E capsules and it is super healthy for your skin. Like do not apply it every day or something. You can apply it once a week before going to bed. You just apply it ऐसे ही and just massage into your skin and then sleep. So next thing which I hope that most of you do follow, but if girls you aren't following it, then please make sure you have a habit of using a hygiene wash at least thrice a week or 4 times a week for sure. Make sure get this into your habit. मतलब ये करना ही करना है. बाहर बाहर से we'll do it, like हमने स्क्रबिंग कर ली or maybe we have applied makeup and बाहर से हम चमक गए, but it is very important to, you know, first of all treat yourself from inside and then the things would automatically occur outside as well. So make sure you're having a habit of using a hygiene wash. It is the ultimate solution and you do not even know that how helpful it is. The other things that I think that every girl or boy, every person irrespective of your age, you should follow. And apart from all this, make sure you are staying positive. More you will be happy from inside, your skin will look happier from outside. Crying over your acne or your pigmentation or any discoloration or any problem you have in your face is not the solution. It is a part of your body and you have to accept this. So if मतलब उसके लिए रोने से अच्छा है you make sure you accept it and you are doing the right thing to get rid of it, but do not hate it. This is it guys, this was all I wanted to tell you people. So if you found this video informative and you found this very helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, do not forget to like this video and do not forget to press the bell icon. And make sure you are spreading a word and you are sharing this video as much as possible. It's much needed right now. So thank you for joining me in here and watching this video till the end. Take care, stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy and have a nice routine.